This literature kit on The Family Under the Bridge by Natalie Savage Carlson includes multi-leveled questions and prompts that will have students digging deeper while making connections. 55 pages chocked full of a variety of scaffolding strategies incorporated in our Before You Read worksheets for each chapter section, along with vocabulary prompts to prepare your students for the reading, with rubrics, teacher guide, and author biography. Investigate the setting to determine what is already known about the historic country of France. Explain what is ironic about Armand's words to the pigeons. Recall what was read by completing a paragraph from the novel with its missing words. Predict what will happen with the children's request to Father Christmas after a cliffhanger. 6 additional writing tasks follow. Supplement an existing unit with in-depth writing tasks, such as researching information on Provence, St. Sara, or the Tournelle Bridge, and creating a report with interesting facts on these places mentioned in the novel. A word search puzzle and comprehension quiz ends the unit. The easy marking answer key works by lining up perfectly with the matching question pages. 3 color posters, which are graphic organizers, completes the resource. Complete an analysis of the novel, detailing the conflict, setting, point of view, and theme, among others. Visit our website to see more novel study guides just like it.